Hi, I'm Ben from Alliance, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about a conveyorized drive system on a large parts washer. These systems are actually very carefully engineered. We need to make sure that the drive motor is sufficiently large to drive the parts, but not oversized, putting the machine or people in danger. Roller supports are important to us. It reduces friction for the drive system, so you can convey parts using less energy. On large systems like this, we tend to have concealed bearings, so we actually take and move grease lines back and make them externally accessible. On a lot of these large systems, we actually have conveyor pause buttons, so if operators need to quickly unload the conveyor belt, they can slap that button before product starts falling on the floor.
Starting at one end of the machine, we pull the belt to the opposite end of the machine with the aid of ropes. Once at that end, we pull it back through to the original end on the return end of the belt, cut it to length, and join it together with a connecting rod.
So we're here on the load end of this large parts washer. We actually have product guides that assist operators when loading. We have a very large loading platform. It's a stationary platform to queue parts up, so you can send a full wave down the machine all at the same time. We have part detection here. This helps us conserve energy on the machines. It allows you to do a run out at the end of the day and have your machine powering down areas that aren't being used. It helps conserve heat, energy, chemistry, water, all the good stuff. The last feature to hit on this end of the machine is actually right here. Since this machine has automated air knife adjustment on it, we actually have a clearance photo eye installed, and this checks to make sure that somebody isn't inadvertently loading a part onto the conveyor that is too high and could collide with something inside the machine. Just another little layer of safety for a big machine like this. In all of our conveyorized systems, we actually designed these so that the roller supports for the conveyor belt conveniently drop in from the top. That makes removal and changing these very easy. Just lift the belt and pull it out. The lower return rollers are all spring loaded, so they simply pop out with a push. You can access everything from the front, changing it in. It's important to have these installed prior to installing the belt. It really reduces the friction and makes the pull process easier.